In this video I will show you how to stake Osmo using Gem Wallet, so you can turn your crypto holdings into a source of passive income. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So if you're already familiar with the basics, feel free to skip ahead to the staking part. But if you're brand new to staking, it's just a simple process of locking up your cryptocurrency to support the blockchain and earn rewards in return. And to get started, you will need to install Gem Wallet. If you don't have it yet, head over to gemwallet.com to find the official download links for both Android and iOS. Once you set up your Gem Wallet, you'll first need to get some Osmosis. If you can't see Osmosis on the token list, go to the top right corner and tap on Options menu. Now just search for Osmosis and click the slider to enable Osmosis in your wallet. Now go back and you will see Osmosis on the main token list. Now you can click on it, and for now the only way to get Osmosis inside your Gem Wallet is to send it from another wallet. To see your wallet address, click on Receive, and now you can use the QR code or wallet address below to send yourself some Osmosis. Once you get Osmosis inside of Gem Wallet, staking process is super simple. Just tap on Stake, and now you can see what is the current APR, and keep in mind that APR can change over time. Below you can see lock time. For Osmosis it's 14 days, and lock time is a duration which stake assets are inaccessible after you decide to unstake them. So once you decide to unstake your Osmosis, you have to wait 2 weeks before they will be sent to your wallet. And to stake your tokens, once again just click stake, and now specify the amount of Osmosis you would like to stake. For today's example, I'll just stake 1, and below you can choose your validator. Gem Wallet will automatically choose the validators with the highest APR, but keep in mind different validators have different commissions for staking your tokens. The minimal percentage is 5% for every validator, however they can increase this amount if they want. So to find the current commission rates for every validator, you'll need to Google it yourself, because this information is not yet available inside of Gem Wallet. But for today's tutorial I will stick to Everstake. Now to stake your Osmosis, just click continue, and below you will see what is the current network fee, because for every transaction on the blockchain you have to pay a fee. If everything looks correct, just click confirm, and now we can see that our stake is pending. The transaction was confirmed, so now to manage our stake tokens, once again click stake, and below you can see your staked tokens. Just tap on the stake tokens, and now you can manage your stake. You can stake more tokens, completely unstake them, or redelegate them to a different validators. But keep in mind that if you decide to unstake your Osmosis, you'll have to wait 14 days before they will be sent to your Gem Wallet. And rewards for staking Osmosis are distributed every single day, and they will be automatically added to your staked amount. So now you know everything you need to know to start staking Osmosis inside of Gem Wallet. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future tutorials, and check out our playlist with all of the Gem Wallet tutorials.